Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are back at Jack and Joe's only because the sun is out and the weather is beautiful. But guys, the whole point of this video is a day in the life of what it's like to own an Abarth. Alrighty guys, so it is 4:42 a.m. in the morning, on my way to work. Got the head cam strap on. I don't have much time, I need to get going. Let's go! Oh, why are we in donkey mode? Drifts away! Alrighty guys, what does it sound like to have an Abarth 595 with the catback system? There you go. It is absolutely a neighbor unpleaser, if that's even a word. Alright guys, Nachi is secured, aka easy peeler, and we are en route. Alright, path of least resistance. Let's go this way, shall we? What a beautiful day. You guys are literally seeing on me now the last glimpse of sunshine basically for the day, because I don't know how much you can see back there, but yeah, it's looking like it's going to change, guys. Let's go! Very nice. These cars pull so nicely. Obviously with the Garrett turbo, a bit more delay, but if you hit it right, down clutch, oh down clutch, double clutch downshift. Three, four. Ramp, you know the drill, guys. We treat it like entering a race course. Not really. There are actually cars today, guys. Fasty, fasty. The last little bit, guys, the home stretch, turbo exhaust. There you have it. Another day of what it's like to own an Abarth 595 Turismo. That was a very clunky reverse. Very clunky. Not the usual parking spot, guys, because I'm going to be going out a little bit later. Alrighty guys, yet again, thank you so much for watching this video. We are at another windy spot, so again guys, I do apologize if there is a whole lot of wind coming through on the feed, but you cannot not appreciate such a spot and with such a view. Wabam! Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to hit a like and a subscribe if you want to see more Abarth content and hopefully more cars to come in the future. So guys, stay tuned, stay locked in. I'll see you in the next video.